When it comes to disconnecting Lego bricks, do you know what's the best tool to do that? It's not your mouth, but actually your hands. But in this video, I'll be showing you how to properly use a Lego brick separator. It may seem obvious, but I'll show you some tricks that you might never heard of. So let's get poppin'.
Tutorial.
The first way to use the brick separator is for the longer 1x plates. Don't disconnect it this way as it could break. Instead, disconnect it this way. To disconnect a 1x2 plate stacked on top of another one is to push those plates against the brick separator and it should come off. The pin on the brick separator is used to disconnect the Technic pins out of the Technic bricks like these. The next way to disconnect a Lego piece from a brick is like this. To take off a plate off a larger plate is to put the separator right by it and push down. And my most favorite way to use a brick separator is to take off tiles from plates, because we all know how hard it is to do that. Point the brick separator at the tiles and lift it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Did you like this video? Check out some more videos here.